Sorry, mic was muted. My bad, brother, my bad. Right, boys, everyone come jump on YouTube. You man, love you all. See you man on there. Love, motherfucker. Sorry, boys. My bad. I was muted. Thanks for telling me that, bro. How we doing, man? Sanka, what's good? Surgical, what's good? KD, what's good? Junior, my fucking family. What we saying, bro? Surgical, I'm good, my boy. How you doing, man? Soma, sorry, yeah, we got sound now. We should have sound. Can we all hear? Yeah, man, what we saying, my ski? My fucking ski. What's good, bro? Right, let me get on TikTok as well. Jesus Christ, I mean, are we going to be able to stay on there? Maybe not. Are we going to do it anyway, aren't we? We're going to do it anyway. Right, this TP's, boys. To be honest, I might start training the yen. Because holy goddamn fuck. Holy fuck. Fuck. We're gonna do it anyway. Just set that motherfucker up. Guten Tag. Boys, there's a... Oh, mate, we've actually got a few YouTube videos that have smashed it, like no cap. Like, bro. Gas as heck. Right, let me get some tunes on, man. First tune's getting picked up random. Actually, it's got to be good morning for the first tune, innit, man? No cap, it's got to be good morning. Good morning. You know what, you... Good morning. Good morning. There we go. Wake up, Mr. West, Mr. West, Mr. Fresh, Mr. By himself, he's so impressed. I mean, damn, did you even see the test? Right, let's see how this UJ goes. Let's see how this how GJ goes as well, because we was looking for GJ to come back up, but it's just not come high enough. So it would be nice to see GJ come back up a little bit. Let me just get these links sent in, boys, and we get fucking started. But this is what we got from this morning already. Continuation of the yen down. We do want to see yen really start continuing up, and that obviously puts our UJ down. If we are weaker dollar today, which it does kind of make sense, considering we're working off the back of weak unemployment claims come out yesterday for the US. We're coming off the back of bad GDP this morning at the UK at 7 AM. So I'm favouring the yen over the dollar. But the yen is massively struggling this morning, we've seen. Main positions for obviously main FX, we're looking for, oh yes, finally, EU to sweep the Asia's low, and then to start moving price to the upside. Obviously, come towards that detail as well. We see if price continues down. We've still got Friday 50 just below us as well. So I'm going to wait for these levels to see if we can come and tap in. I'm going to keep my eyes on UJ to see how it does. Looks like it's continuing up pretty high though. Keep our eyes on it, man. Let me get these links in, motherfucker. Good morning. Good morning. Look at the valedictorian. Scared of the future while I hop in the DeLorean. Scared to face the world, complacent career student. Some people graduate, but we still stupid. They tell you read this, eat this. Don't look around, just peep this. Preach this, teach us Jesus. Okay, look up now. They done stole your streetness. After all of that, you receive this. Good morning. Yeah, the GPI is weak. The GPY is weaker. Why is the yen weaker than the dollar, bro? Daniel, what we saying, bro? Boys, how we doing, man? It's a long goal. Silly me. Oh, gold's moving unreal. I know gold's still moving. Gold is still absolutely booming. The thing is that is questionable for me though, right? Is we are like I think gold just is like the upside potential is just so limited, man. It's just so limited. Let
me just get the links in there, boys. God, I'm so hot in this jumper.
Self-conscious, she has no idea what she's doing in college. That major that she majored in don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore, 3 years, ain't picked a career. She like, get out the state on her and do it. Cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new ears. Cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with the peer pressure. Couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter a legend. Yeah. Hair so long that it looked like weave. Then she cut it all off, now she look like Eve. And she be dealing with some issues that you can't believe. Single black female, addicted to retail as well. And when it falls down, who you gonna call now? Come on, come on. And when it all falls down, man, I promise. And when it falls down, who you gonna call now? Come on, come on. And when it all falls down, man, I promise. I'm so self-conscious. That's why you always see me with at least one of my watches. Rollies and Poshes that drove me crazy. I can't even pronounce nothing. Pass that for safety.
Yeah, I reckon so, man. I reckon gold all-time high is just imminent at this point. It is imminent. It is imminent. It is imminent. GJ's pretty much came to the exact same level again. Really painful. Really painful. But GJ, again, sort of the main... I mean, the reason why... I mean, I think both GJ UJ sales are brilliant, right? We had that weak UC come out yesterday. That's for the dollar. We obviously are looking at continuations of cuts within the US. Obviously, that is continuation of a weaker dollar. And then again, moving over to the pound and that weak GDP. So again, fuck me, the UK is a joke for growth. But the growth in the UK is, from a month-to-month perspective, has gone down by another 0.1%. So dreadful. That is handwriting. It's nearly as bad as our growth in this economy. Minus 0.1% in the GDP month-on-month, which is bad for the UK. So we are still weak on the pound. But the yen's still not really got it. I mean, by the looks of it, the yen's just going to continue down now after this. After we've seen price continue, you can only really see price continue down. Or for UJ, continue up. GJ tap, nice. GJ, I feel like GJ's got, oh no, still got a little bit more. She's got way more potential. I feel like that, again, the dollar still needs a bit of a reversal just because it's so oversold. So this morning it makes sense to have that reversal back up for it. But that's the exact same reason why we want to see EU come down, right? Oh, we actually grab. Oh, we still haven't grabbed that low. Holy shit. We still haven't grabbed that low. So we're still looking for that to climb down. Let's have a look how UJ goes. Considering the yen basket continue down, I can only assume that UJ is going to continue up. I would not be bullish on EU. Why would you not be bullish on EU, bro? What's your reason? EU needs to move. Yeah, why would you not be bullish on EU, bro? Are you saying it from like an intraday perspective or? Why even looking at EU? It's a good question. Why would I be? Well, first of all, we haven't moved the muscle, which I know in terms of like getting trades is dreadful, but realising the build-up of liquidity within this phase is massive. Increasing demand. Increasing demand for what currency though? This is a banger, bro. By the way, boys, if you're on TikTok, I'm always live on YouTube. That's where we mainly stream, boys. I'm gonna hear you. Daily fair value rejection. Is this on EU 4 hour? Daily, sorry, 4 hour. Could be that should be going down like this. US might do something. I like Morning Mace. My fucking bro, Marlo. Where's Lou? Lou's still ill, man. Lou's still ill. GJ, Friday low, bro. Again, I love the looks of the weaker pound. Like the weaker pound, stronger yen. I love the looks of it. We're entered now, so we tapped in. To the flow. We'll be looking at this since the start, man. Back a bit further, but yeah. But that's the thing. Yeah, I guess I can see both perspectives, man. I definitely see both perspectives. But from the 4 hour, I'd love to see the CRT get swept. So I do want to see EU come down. And to be fair, it looks like in terms of the 4 hour candle, it's pretty fucking imminent, really. But it would be filling the 4 hour. Ash, what we saying, my boy? Good morning, man. Are there still going to be lives next week? Yeah, man, fuck it. Boys, we're always live, man. Trading or not, boys. I mean, I go live every single New York session. And I hate New York session. I fucking hate it, bro. But we jump on just so we can have a talk, man. Talk about the markets, what's going to happen, maybe. We could even have a conversation what's going to happen next year. Because, I mean, next week is still really important in the financial market. You got to say, we've got an interest rate decision out of the BOE, which is massive. We've got inflation coming out of the US, which is massive. These things I don't really want to trade, but I would like to use it in my advantage, right? So we still be live, because I'll be honest, there's so many people that fucking depend on mine and Lou's sort of fundamental analysis to actually get through the markets and understand the real buyers. Wow, Julie, wow. Now, after that comment, you can't ask why people say the shit they say. You just can't. Need more than a hug. Bro, I don't blame that man then for fucking... I don't... but boys, any charts you want me to go over, feel free. You just had a deep enough retracement. I'm actually lagging, bro. How am I lagging on this PC? In fact, bro, I'm the only one in the crib. Wait. Oh, shit, is that off? No, bro, it's on. Bro, I've got like fucking 3 Wi-Fi boxes. I'm on my own in my crib. I've got a fucking PC with a RAM so high, I would actually... I forgot, I was going to try and not say anything crazy this stream. Oh, we've loaded that. There we go, EU. That's what we needed. Fucking hell, boys. We've been waiting for this to happen since literally about 7 o'clock in the morning. How can I get my MT5 account with broker? Just you got to sign up for a broker, bro. If you want an FCA rig, whereabouts are you based with? Are you based in the UK? Oh yeah, you're UK based. You're gonna want to get an FCA regulated broker. The reason why you want FCA is because they're regulated in the UK for these financial services. There's a lot of brokers out there, right, that are regulated with like random EEA. I say random. You can get so many regulations. There's so many different regulations, and there's different regulations from different regulators. So you've got, let's just say CySec, which is the Cyprus one, right? A lot easier to get than FCA. And if you are regulated with CySec, you're actually regulated to offer your services within the UK. So you need an FCA regulated broker who will obviously keep your money safe. 2 things to note as well. A-book and B-book. When you're in a brokerage, you want to be on A-book accounts. The thing is as well is A-book and B-book mad depends on your performance, right? This is how different brokers risk. And this is the thing, you can never actually be on an A-book or B-book account, and you probably would never ever fucking know as well, because the brokers will put you on A or B-book depending on whether you are profitable or not. The exact same way a prop firm operates, right? If they see that you're consistently getting payouts all of the time, they will place your trades on a fund. And they will place your, you might not know that, but they will place your trades on a fund on the live markets. If you're unprofitable, you're literally just, you're just going to be trading your account. This is the thing to note, boys, right? And people say this about prop firms, and it annoys me, right? Because this is how the financial services work. In fact, I'm pausing this tune. I want you man to hear me for a sec. When people say prop firms are made so you essentially lose a challenge and that pays for people's payouts, that is exactly how all financial firms actually run. It's exactly how they mitigate risk, right? It's how they mitigate risk. If you have someone making money, you're gonna make money off the back of that by putting them on a book account where the broker will get money off commission, right? On the flip side, if you're dealing with an unprofitable trader, why would a broker be putting their trades on the live markets? They wouldn't. It's not smart enough. The risk aversion doesn't make sense. The way they've risk averse is the way they've actually had A book and B book. If you're profitable, you're on A book. So if your performance is good, it's in the broker's best interest to put you on A book. If you're doing shit, it's in the broker's best interest to put you on the B book. And that's not because they want to make more money. It's because it's less risk to them. And again, brokers got to make money, right? I mean, fair play. I mean, retail brokerages came along and allowed people like us to actually place trades on the financial markets. 20, 30 years ago, as someone who didn't work for an institution, you couldn't do this. You couldn't possibly do it. You had to work for a firm. And now we've got retail brokerages and we've got to pay the price for a brokerage. That's absolutely fine. And it works the exact same way with a prop firm. FTMO, they have a fund behind their prop firm. Their best traders get put onto a fund, okay? That is exactly how they risk averse. That's how risk works within a firm, right? So don't think prop firms are scummy just because they obviously make money when people lose. I mean, that's the thing. They make money when people lose, and they also make money when people win. Again, it sort of depends on the prop firm. There's some prop firms that don't even have that model, and they literally just nick your money, pretty much. But you have the best ones, FTMO, ACG, all of these are top prop firms that will essentially put you on a live account or non-live account. What would you suggest I've passed the funded account, I kind of want my own account. Bro, honestly, like, this is what I've noticed recently, and I hope I am allowed to say this. I'm going to say complete NFA for this. I don't even want to say it. Simple vibes. Just come drop me a message, bro. I'll be real. Instagram, Discord. We've got a massive Discord community, 8.5k in there now. Nearly, actually. We've got a Discord community. We've also got Insta. Just come drop us a message on Insta, bro. I can go through it a lot easier for you. Just fucking link my Percy as well. Just come drop us a message on Instagram. Richesse FX, bro. And I'll help you. Again, like, for me, like, bro, having both is great. Having both a funded and a live account's great. What me and Lewis are going to start doing now as well is getting our prop firm payouts and sending them straight to our funded, on our live funded accounts to make profits from that, where that will be tax free. So it's a way to sort of minimalise tax within that sort of sector of prop firms. Because when you get paid for a prop firm, you get charged with income tax as if you was working for the firm. To lower your tax, you're in your best interest to put that money into a live account, and then the profits made from that live account is spread betting, which is tax free, which is great. So having both is very smart, and me and Lou have sort of only really realised that recently. But I mean, again, you live and you learn, boys, and the way we've learned is we offset all of this onto you. That's fucking. Can you not even read that shit? Right, so I just realised I've not actually had my YouTube stream up. My words. W community, come on, Jen, you're not a movement. I do work for JPM. Come on, JPM. Come on. Love that, man. Rob, what we saying, my boy? Can anyone do that? Can anyone do what? Sorry, Nick. Yeah, anyone can do it, bro. Anyone can do it. Really, no way it's tax-free, no way. Yeah, bro. I mean, it depends where you're from, right? If you're in the UK, spread betting is tax-free. That's how it works. Spread betting is tax-free. Trading FX is spread betting. You're in Dubai. I mean, you're tax-free anyway, regardless, bro. You starting to... Let's go, man. Bro, I actually turned into Prime MJ then. What the fuck? I actually sounded hard. Melting, bro. That's what we like to see. No trades here, boys, Friday. No, I feel like there might be. Oh. Go on, GJ. Run, boy! Run, fat boy, run, motherfucker. What's that, 3-1? We'll take. UJ continued higher. It's a shame. GJ's a lot nicer because obviously we've actually got the stronger, we've actually got a weak pound. Dollar's not necessarily looked to be weak this morning, which makes sense because we do kind of need a retracement, and I was expecting EU to come lower. So I guess it kind of makes sense. With a weak pound as well. I'm not in any trades. I don't trade Fridays, boys. Something, I'll say it now, I'm not. Any trades I show on this live, I'm not getting into on my personal, on my live funded accounts. I might on a challenge just for the fuck of it. Is it a full port day today, lads? We could buy another 10k on full port. Or we could, bro. Man, who actually ruined that yesterday? Like, bro, honestly, that was gonna be bare fun. Like, I actually bet we should do that. So, I grab a 10k account, we all log in, and we just all place a trading it. All of us, every single one of us, man, just trading it and see if we can pass a 10k as a community. Like, who full-ported Hong Kong, bro? Who full-ported Hong Kong shorts as well? Who shorts equities, first of all? Like on a perspective where you don't even know what's going on. It is full port Friday, it's true. It is a full port Friday. It's a full port, and I feel like we could get something here. Mr. Chow ruined it. Souls. Down to the East Coast. What happened to last Friday's full port account? Well, I'll show you what happened to last week Friday's. In fact, I'll show you both accounts, bro. So this is our account. What account's this? What one's this? Okay, this was the yesterday's one. Bro, do it, but just drop it to certain man for the Discord. My bad about the Hong Kong. Alright, so it's... Leslie Chow, wow. So yeah, it went horrible yesterday. Went dreadful yesterday. This was last Friday. It's a shame. We was up about 6% as well. This is a shame. But should we full port again today, boys, yeah? Should we full port again today? We're going to have to buy another 10k. A limousine with a chauffeur. Flat. My candle handles that. The whole crew is lounging. No more public housing. No more room shack. Right, it looks like EU could definitely come to Friday 50. We've had that big expansion. We'll see the 5 minute though. Crucial. No heat. I know why Christmas missed us. Does the government not see trading as spread betting? Yeah, it does, bro. That's what I'm saying. Our government is tax free and spread betting. And trading FX on live accounts is spread betting. A book or B book. Full port every Friday. You might just love watching me lose money. Thing is, even if we pass it, bro, I can't even trade the account, really. My last trading day was yesterday, bro. I'm donezo for the year. If there's trades, I might place it on like challenges, but in terms of my main funded, yeah, that's me. Morning, Josh. How we doing, bro? How you doing, man? Full port gold long all-time high, bro. Alright, fine. Let's buy a new one now. Let's buy a new ACG 50k. Let me change the thing of the live on both of these. I'll do it on here first. How do you change what the live's called in that, bro? Comments. No. Nice, bro. How do I change the name of the live, bro? What's this live actually called, bro? Actually called it? Prop firm isn't considered spread betting, no, bro, because you're in a demo account, so they count it as, and how you get paid is as if you was working for the firm. So you get charged income tax because you're paid directly from the firm, you're not paid from profits. Do you know what I mean? It's like the firm paid you for work. That's how it works. But spread betting, you're paid via your profits, right? It's not like the broker pays you. You actually make the profits from the account. So you actually have profits from the live markets. Obviously the brokerage pays you, but on a live account it comes on the spread betting. Richesse link up in New York, bro. That'd be a Man, I'm on that, man. Essex and NYs, bro. That would be active. Get an office on Wall Street. Yeah, they've built a lot more offices in New York, I heard. Man, that would be lit. I mean, when do you finish trading this month? Which days will you not be trading this month? I'm not trading for the rest of the month, bro. But for me personally, I'm not trading for the rest of the month for my main account. So you could dig deep above open before it sinks. Yeah. I still want to see it come a little bit lower already before we have any real movement. My bed's big enough for multiple lads. What? Hypothetically, can you withdraw your profits from your prop firm into crypto and just never withdraw? Yeah, of course you can, bro. Of course you can. But my advice for you, right? I mean, like from my perspective, this is EU. This is EU or not. I'm gonna let you say another comment. I don't think you fully asked the right question. I thought you don't pay tax on spread betting on if it's second income. Yeah, that's what I mean. You don't pay tax on spread betting. That's what I'm saying, bro. SMT on GUEU. SMT, man, I hear this so often. Well, obviously there is SMT, right? Because obviously we see GU come lower than the EU, and the obvious thing of it is just that the pound's weaker. The pound's just weaker. So GU shorts is nice, but I want EU longs. That's what I'm mainly looking for. I do want to see price come a little bit lower though. Is this EU? Yeah, this is EU, bro. Trading therefore making profits tax on an income. How do we get around that, bro? Bro, you don't, innit? That's not that. Like I've never heard that. Let me type that out. That doesn't make sense anyway. How can HMRC just decide to tax you on it or not? Like what? Like bro, like it's not how it works. You're either taxed or not on something. I mean, what would I mean if your class is a professional? I'm in longs in the EU. Nice, BK. I'm looking for longs. I'm still waiting for Price to actually tell me that he wants to go long on a higher. I'll be so real, bro. You shouldn't. I mean, if you're earning about 50 grand a month through trading, then maybe. But I'll be real. I don't think you will get taxed. I mean, it's just stupid, isn't it? I mean that sums our country up, man. Oh yeah. So if you do it, if you're not a professional at it, we won't tax you because you're gonna fucking lose money. Oh, but if you're actually good at it, we'll tax you. And shut up, bro. Exactly, Sam. Do you know what I mean? It's such a weird thing. Like, you can't just dictate if someone's a pro gambler or not. I mean, what a silly thing. What a silly thing. Mate, just say, mate, I ain't paying nothing on it. Sure. Nah, it's cheeky, man. It's cheeky. Yes, that will work. You need to pay tax on something. I mean, you pay tax on literally anything anyway, man. You pay tax on if you went to buy a fucking drink, bro. You pay tax on anything. That's the thing that's stupid with this country, man. They can't not tax you. You get taxed on everything. Even if I was spread betting, didn't get taxed for what I earn, I would still get taxed on everything else. So that's why I feel like it's bullshit. And bearing in mind our country's debt's risen over the years. How does that work? How does that work? Tax is the highest it's ever been. Tax is height. Tax is the highest it's ever been in modern history, by the way, in the UK. That is a fact. That is insane already. And our debt is risen. How the fuck? By how? We've not done anything mad, have we? Not like we fucking built a load of I mean, I don't even know how you could even spend that money. It's not like the NHS has got any better, is it? Mate, I'm still waiting to get my knee replaced, bruv. Not my knee replaced. I'm still waiting to get the I mean, I can't even remember what I was getting now. That's how fucking long it's been. Not just UK, man, everywhere. But UK's bad for it, bro. UK's not a nice place to live. It's not. It's not. Not at all, man. UK's actually a shit place to live now, in my opinion. I think it is. It's only going to get worse. So if you move to the UK to live here, mate, fucking hell. Honestly, I'm just thinking, these illegal immigrants now, mate, you can have it. Honestly, you can have it, mate. This country is shit anyway. You can have it. Yeah, payouts to crypto then to live for spread betting benefits, yeah. But again, bear in mind, like, if you put all your profits into your live account and then you'll trade that, I mean, the thing is, bro, boys, you got, like, if for HMRC to look into you, you've got to be making a lot of money. Like, a lot of money. So if they are really going to then dictate that, mate, you've probably already made fucking, like, 400 bags on tax-free cash anyway. So, I wouldn't even worry about that. For HMRC to look at you, you're going to have to be earning a lot of money. A lot of money. Because otherwise, there's no point to them, right? It only makes sense to them if they tax you when you actually start earning. Which is bullshit in my opinion, but it is what it is. That's why I moved to Norway 11 years ago, could see this shit. That almost went instantly. Let me know what you meant to put. True, Warren. What did Warren say? Better than Gaza. Fucking obviously, Warren. Like, bro, obviously. Come on. I mean, it's better than... If you want to take it that far, it's better than living in Ukraine. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, like, Warren, yeah, it's a given, mate. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Yo, now on the head there, Warren. UK, I mean, England, I mean, anywhere in the UK, because they've all got the same tax system. UK, Germany, horrible places to live if you're trying to grow. Germany's even worse, man. They've got more tax than what you've... Mate, Julie, how bad's your tax, man? I bet you get taxed a fucking testicle, man. My boy made 20 bags in a month from it and they tried to do him for fraud, lol. What? Over 20 bags? Wait, sorry, what did he try to do? I mean, I bet there's more to it, Kay. You know what I mean? I bet there's more than what you're letting on there, brother. What was it on, though? You look at the gold, you think it's going down. I think gold's continuing up, bro. Stupid Cronus shit. What's Cronus? Cronus? Isn't that like the enemy from Incredibles 2? Yeah, I watch fucking kids' films. Often. Yeah, I actually mad doing okay. Do you know the interest rate in the bank, Mace? Do you know the interest rate in the bank, Mace? Like your interest rates and savings. Oh, bro, I've got no clue. I've got no clue. To be so honest with you, Jess. From Bitcoin. But like, how did he get his money into Bitcoin? Like, this is the thing about crypto. Crypto is very different, man. Banks hate crypto. Crypto is the one thing that banks like have threatened banks. So banks hate crypto, bro. Like, that's one thing to notice about these financial markets. Banks hate crypto. They don't want it to be a decentralized platform. You got back it over in the US. I'm pretty sure there was so many big banks in the US that did not want Bitcoin as a heavily regulated thing in the US to banks start offering, because it ruins the banks. It's shit for the banks. They do not want you using it. Honestly, they will do anything scum for you to not have the crypto money. That's one thing to know. Crypto is not a thing to be in, because especially nowadays, man. 39% in Turkey at the moment. 39% in Turkey. 39% in Turkey at the moment. What interest? What are you like? Wait, bruv. Wait, why? Wait, they're guilt. Wait, what, yeah, why? Wait, can you even get Turk 10-year bonds? Surely you can. Oh, you can just get Turk GDP. I need bonds. I need bonds. Yeah, Turkey 10-year. Fucking hell. 104, bro. Do you know how insane that is? Oh, I was gonna say, bro, I thought I was on the yield. Fucking hell, man. They've been, mate, 28%, bro. Mate, bruv, that is insane. But obviously, the reason why they do that, the only reason why they do that is obviously because it's high risk. You get 28% a year because obviously Turkey's just high risk. That's why. UK, you get like 4%. US, you get like 4%. I mean, UK is 4.1. US is 4.1, I think. Yeah, 4.1. It's because Turkey's a fucking war-torn, bro. Really. So for investors to put their money in, they need a high yield. Can you play something happier? What song was even just on? Bro, I had Kanye West Homecoming. It's probably one of the best tunes in the world. Oh, this is a little banger, I don't know. Yeah. DJ just back at entry now, just pissing about. We really not having that much movement, man. Play the Chipmunks. Oh, yeah, that's a shout. Oh, watch him go in as well. Watch the beat drop on this actually go hard. That song's actually a banger though, I ain't gonna lie. Really says put a happier song on, I'll put Alvin and the Chipmunks. Bad Day on. Really want something happier, I'll put this on. What about this one? This is the next tune from the movie. Hey. Bro, this reminds me of Shrek. It just like doesn't look. Well, they actually don't even make films like this no more, man. They don't even make films like this no more.
This is a song.
Alright, Christmas song. Perfect!
Ready, Simon?
Okay.
Ready, Theodore?
Okay.
Alvin? Alvin?
This kid's a hamster wheel's butt.
Wait, hold on. Oi, wait, it's when the birds jump in. Oi, yo, this is when the birds jump in. Where the little women chipmunks. They're gonna go hot. What a tune as well, bro! Turn this up! Oi, that note got hit as well, bro. Yeah! That hit it, motherfuckers! No. Straight, basically. I want to hear you. Have a reaction, bro.
This is it, girls. Can you believe it?
Oi, single ladies. Wait, this one might go
Shy,
hard.
baby.
Oh, Rihanna, bro, this actually tune, man. How has this got 700,000 views, bro? This is a banger. Mr. Burns, bro. Hey, stop saying that, man. That's fucking... That's actually so funny.
Like what you see? Crowley and Hall.
Like what you see. It's 3 chipmunks fucking... Do I like what I see? This guy has got to be one of the worst people in a film ever. No cap. He is our new stop loss on GJ. Not even gonna lie. What's his name? Alvin and Chipmunks. Oh, dude. Here we go. What's his name? Of course he's got an earring in. Mate, have you boys noticed? It's always like in films. It's always like crossovers. You see this guy here? I'm gonna show you something now. Yeah. Bro, he's wearing like the exact same suit as him, and like kind of looks like him a little bit as well. To be fair. Okay. Anyway, this is our stop loss. This is our stop loss for today. Wait, sorry. Where's my?
310-555-5309.
Yeah, Bear looks like Harry here. Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, representing West Eastman, is my great
I just gotta go cold. Oh, what's that song from? Oh, bro. Wait, I'm not actually gonna get the fucking Cars version. What am I even doing? Oh, mate, this is such a tune. You might gonna hear. You might gonna know what I'm on about in about 3 seconds. I'll bang it on after this. I will. Bro, this shit makes me want to play guitar and shit, man. Put on a tune called Haunted by original shit. I'll bang it on after, man. So this is a showy one for me. Can we start moving, for fuck's sake?
Sometimes you stay, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door, where blues won't haunt you anymore. For the brave are free, and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. Even hesitate to break down darkness.
Oh, that's... Don't even say that, Stu. Don't even say that's the reason. Bro, moms. 100%. Oh, no. I think it is the tune for Daddy Daycare as well, isn't it? I'm pretty sure it is, yeah. Right, come on, GJ, calm down, you motherfucker. I think it is in Daddy Daycare, though, I'm pretty sure. But mainly Cars, yeah. Mainly Cars. UJ's still coming up. Donna's still quite strong at the moment, man. He's kind of making it very difficult for the end. Making it really hard for the end. EU, shall we do anything today? Shall we wake up at some point? It's fucking... It's 9:30 already. What the fuck? Bro. 9:30 already. Yeah, that's straight raw, bro. That's straight raw in Skeezy's face. Oh, I just invited someone. I barely mean to do that. Sorry, bro. Sorry if I invited you. I didn't mean to invite you. Didn't mean to invite you, my bad, brother. You know, geez, I'm a bird. Sorry, whether I invited you. London streams ain't going to be the same when Mr. Burns is back. Mr. Burns is the craziest name, though, man. All night long. Sorry, Burns. Oh, hello, my Indian friend. What the fuck do you mean by that, bro? What the hell? I'm wild as hell. I said before watching, not bad, not bad. Last time I called him Mr. Burns, he started crashing out telling me to be original, not copying Ad Matthew's brother. Wait, what did you... Wait, what? Is that what I... Bro, that'd be creasing. He's... I bet that's like kind of low-key what Lou might look like when he's older. Like, genuinely. I mean, we're all gonna fucking look like that at some point. I'm gonna need you! Do something, for fuck's sake. Alright, boys, give me another tune. Should I just put in a 2012 nostalgia mix and then just, bro, we just see what songs come on, man? Fuck it, let's just do that. What's the first one? No, 2011 summer. 2011 summer, let's go. She's a banger. Jesus, put Mason's... Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, let me put the one you said on. This is a banger, bro. We're gonna have to put it on another time, man. What's it called? Haunted. In it, Mr. Worldwide, you know, bro. Oh, come on here, you fucker. Yo, why do I feel like I've heard this shit? Oh, I've got a bass drop in it, bro.
Switch it up.
Bro, I might as well have a new... Vector's, you're meant to be a trader. The fuck?
Switch it. Now. Oh.
Fucking hell! Wait, hold on, bro. What is going on? Hold on a minute. I need to have an aneurysm, bro.
Switch it. Now.
Yo, what the fuck? Bro, I can't tell if that's satire or not, bro. Holy... Holy fuck. Jesus. You're meant to be a trader. Okay. So, what you see on the screen here is a trade. You tell me, Vex, you smart ass, you tell me what I should do in this scenario. What should I do? You tell me what I do. Bro, that actually run through my hair, bro. No, what the fuck is this? On gang. No, that I'm shit. The second drop was insane. Okay, let's go to the second drop.
Switch it up.
Switch it.
Yo!
Switch it.
Yo, bro, that is...
Switch it.
Bro, you just know you gotta be on some form of fucking class A to even be like... I hear it though, man. No, it's insane. That's got how many views? Oh, I thought you said 1.7 mil then. Fred again, Boiler Room.
He's a tricky one to introduce because he's that talented and that
He's
charming,
that
that's
talented.
something. This man,
Why don't you just kiss the man instead? Yeah?
crazy. So, I feel very honoured to be in the room. This feels like a
Oh,
very
mate.
special time.
I need them, 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 I need them. Little white bitch on detox, chillin', teapot, two left feet, them free by shawty get free.
There we
Now
go.
she a free
Whoa!
bitch. Never let the bitch alone with my sweet moms. Got a bitch
Yeah.
sneaking, popping in my reeboks, talking about the detox, pussy like a beatbox, all grown up bitch, looking like Selena, not that booty. I need them.
This guy makes all of his money from his clothing, bro. I'll put it on after, Josh. Number one end dubs, bro.
Could have been a cheat. Should have never snitched. Why take it to police? Now they're looking at you funny when you're walking down the street, looking at you like food, trying to see what they can eat. Me, I'm like,
This is hard though, man. I'll be real, if I heard this in the gym every day, I'll be fuming. I'd actually be fuming.
I need that breeze. I feel sorry for getting
But this, I've only heard this tune about 5 times. I think it is so hard. That's because I've only listened to it 5 times. Is it taking it? Or is it still coming? Alright, nice. That's good. We still want to come lower. That's going to push the dick to our lower.
price. What a plug to pagan, tweaking, talking inflation, pieces, leaving, getting impatient, blood. Everybody getting
But then I still think,
work, step on the pavement, victory lap, I'm back in the station.
I still think this victory lap is probably like one of the best.
Taken.
I think this is one of the best raps I've heard, man. I think this is so cold. Dave's 3 Ps. Bro, this is a joke.
Pussy and power, the most
All
important.
in one is the paper.
Got that and you got all three. If you don't get that,
I'm gonna explain later.
Hitman in the back of his head, man, wanted the tape, I'll give him a favor. I feel like Pep, car I cannot replace him. Move mum to a spot that's safer, that's vital. When me and her walk in church, they act like I'm David from the Bible.
Man, let that go on arrival.
Like man just landed. If you heard I'm doing an X, I'm exporting or a
Man's
man's
expanding. Experiencing.
My man don't wanna ride this.
I can only assume, like, we should all go to a festival, man. I mean, I fucking hate all that shit. I mean, that shit pisses me off, but I think it would be jokes.
800 is my standard fee. I got an alligator
With a pointy shoes, I'm Congolese.
I give her one straight off the ball and I tell her it tastes like a. Let me go. Yeah.
Europe. 3 Ps, pussy, power, the most important one is the paper. This is the only thing we currently got right now, but I can only assume we're actually going to continue up a little bit more, because we're going to see DXY come to the product, almost actually quite close. It's a lot closer, DXY. It's kind of annoying, actually.
My girlfriend left me. I feel like Pep, I cannot replace her. Move mum to a spot that's
You can DJ, Mace. Bro, there is about, I reckon 30% of the men in Essex DJ, bro. I don't need to be a DJ. The market's so saturated, man. I don't even need to do that, bro. I'll just let you, man, spin the decks. I dance and drink and sure. My standard what? What a party. I'm Congolese. Yeah, same for me, Slaps. I don't think I've been in a festival for like minimum, I reckon even longer than that, maybe like 5 years. Last one I went to must have been We Are, I think. Last time I went to was We Are.
That one cut me deep and hurt my heart in a way that you wouldn't believe. I give for the sake of giving, don't give for clout, don't give to receive. I buy her a bag, don't want her to know the price. I never give her receipts, man, talk on me and I give them receipts. I built this shit, that's brick by brick, that's me. Did that street by street, shotgun awkward like a meet and greet. Back then cinema was sweet, Chinese man with a DVD. PYT on my FYP, FYI, I got a BRB. It's STSANTAM from Rowan or SW16.
We can wait in the sun with the Richesse boys. That mate, it'd be so fun, bro. 2019 was peak Crewcast. What's Crewcast? Oh, is that them, man? The man who made that tune, that insane tune that run through my body.
Is on the Radar Radio.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Fucking hell. It's exactly. Imagine that. You just got me playing out your speaker. That.
Yes,
He's
sir, ready
danger.
on the Radar Radio freestyles. Yo, Sleepy Hollow back in the
Oh, this
building
is
for part
so
2.
hard.
I'm gonna step out, he gonna step in, alright? Let's go.
2 hours. I got spiked at. Bro, Rob, who would spike you by 2 hours with fizzy water? No way, bro. Oh, this is part 2, bro. Oh, that's so good. This is part 2. I just want the first one, please, man. I want the first. I want the Sleepy OTR. Humankind on the radar. Are they on O2?
One.
No, they ain't done on the radar. They haven't, have they?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes, sir, baby. On the Radar
this
Radio
is
freestyles.
so
Yo, Sleepy
hard.
Hollow in the building. I'm gonna step out.
Alright, EU, come for that, please come
Get in my
on.
zone, start bitching, they play with that boy and he clicking. Smack a nigga like Will, I ain't had me a spiff, and I was trying to bag and flip it. Say you love me, I'm want you bitches. They don't love me, they loving the riches. Had to chill, I was moving
Yeah, so 4 hour, no, yeah, 4 hour CRT still tells us it's going to come to the upside. Same thing with EU, still come to the downside.
I came in the lane, but I left in the bench. Fuck it up, I was born to win.
Actually, no, there's no CRT here, so it's just the XY CRT.
I told her to get me, do it again. Let me stop up and focus.
EU needs to move, though, man. We've had like no movement off the low. We still want to see a little bit more for actually us to get in anything.
Run from you, get shot by your homie. Run from you, can't hang, you don't know me. You gotta move tackle, you slide in the goalie. The bro used to hop out the hold on.
Oh yeah, let's see what teams are in the World Cup then. To find our dark horse.
Baby, I'm back for real. I'm on attack for real. What's that, girl? That's a strap for real. Don't like that's how you get killed. But you ain't gotta be in the field. You can go to school and be real. You got a 9 to 5, so what? Tell them niggas you can pay bills. Fuck it, I'm living life like I love it. Sometimes I just wanna dub it. Shorty a meter, I ain't trying to cuff it. What you talking sounding like rubbish? I don't like parties, I don't like clubbing. If I go, then the Glock coming. What? If I go, then the Glock, hold on. Gotta watch you call your girl. Gotta watch you call your mans. No nigga, the world is yours. Make some money, then do it again. She tryna play, you don't want you to win. It's gonna hurt when you fucking
Right, all the teams in the 2026 World Cup.
They say that we let it off and we fled. You think Sleepy gon' tell them the gang? I'm like, nigga, I'd rather be dead. Like, fuck it, I'd rather be gone. Don't forget who was pulling you on. Had the chance with you too long. Like, I gotta chill, can't do too long. Like, baby, I'm not one of them. Cause until we ain't fucking again. He a rat, I can't trust him again. If he snitch once, he be snitching again.
Mate, there's so many countries in there that actually don't stand a fucking chance.
They like Sleepy, he did it again.
Well, who was the dark horse last time? Dark horse was Morocco, wasn't it? Our dark horse was Morocco. They actually, where did they come? Like 3rd? 4th? In the last World Cup? 3rd? EU, come on. Scotland winning. I just don't want Scotland to win, man. Fuck Scotland, okay. I know they're in the UK and that, but... Question is, who do you think is going to win?
You say you be getting cash, okay? What's the facts?
Oh, bro, I thought Spain won in the World Cup then. For like for 3 seconds, I genuinely thought Spain won in the World Cup.
Guarantee you getting whacked. Cook up like I'm Walter, should have been on Breaking Bad.
Why am I obsessed with EU? I'll be so honest, EU has paid me this year, bro. EU is the exact fucking FX pair that I've traded this whole year, pretty much, and it's been good to me, bro. EU is a fucking perfect one. It's a great question, but the main reason why is because of the divergence between both currencies, right? The euro has good growth. It's got good labour. It's got low inflation, low interest rates, so they can now start hiking. And yeah, Lagarde had a speech the other day where she said growth is really good. But she's bullish, like really bullish. And then when it comes to the US dollar, forgot I've got literal Parkinson's. For the dollar, we got weak growth, weak labour that come out yesterday. Interest rates are looking to come down. Inflation, that's too high. It's not great. Inflation is nowhere near target, so it's weaker. I mean, what else? I mean, everyone's weak on it. I mean, everyone's weak on the dollar, right? Everyone. Anyone you hear on Bloomberg is weak dollar. So when you ask me why am I so obsessed with EU, it's mainly because of the divergence between both currencies, right? We've got good growth, good labour, good inflation, interest rates are low so they can start hiking. Literally pretty much vice versa for the dollar. Weak growth, weak labour, everyone's dovish on it, and interest rates are stuck. Inflation's too high. So that's my reason. That I've just been looking at EU buyers this whole year. I've said this many fucking times now. EU buyers has been on my main live accounts, like pretty much the only currency I've been trading, or only pair I've been trading. Year's done, fella. Log off and enjoy Christmas holidays. All right, let's all listen to this guy. Let's all live our life by this guy's rules. Just living by this guy's rules. 3. Also, let me know what I should do tomorrow as well, bro. Just let me know. If you can, just give me like a weekly plan for the next 3 weeks if you can, mate. Surely EU should be moving. I mean, volume's low, bro, so... if it wants to do nothing, it will do nothing. Yeah, because you're in Dubai, man. Dubai for what, 4 hours behind? 2 a.m. Wait, no, you can't be in Dubai if it's 2 a.m. for New York's-ish. Dubai are only 4 hours ahead of us, I think. Where are you at? Retire. Alright. What's up with you this morning? It's 15 minutes to 10 on a Friday morning. It's sunny outside. Day's good. It's Christmas in about I don't know, not even like 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks. What's up with you, bro? What's up? It's cloudy, mate. Mate, I'm seeing sun. I'm seeing sun. No, but that wasn't really my question about the weather. My question is, what's got you so riled up at fucking 10 to 10 in the morning? What's going on in your life that's so shit right now? I'll tell you what, that Leo Trill just dropped a little song in his tick, mate. It was actually fucking hard, bro. Go on, someone give me a tune then. Yeah, Junie's like Manny, and you're, I think so. Anyways, 3. Am I gonna get a reply or not? Huh? Yeah, no, that's it, Summer. Ah. All right, fine. AI 50 Cent 21 questions. What do you mean AI? It's like that is his song. What do you mean AI? Turn down the lights, Benny Page. I'll find that one after. Reebok or Nike? Is that Reebok or Nike? That video is so funny. Is it Reebok or Nike? what song is it? Oh, I don't know. It's like Revenge of the Night or something. I don't know what song. AI 50 cents, 21 questions. Wait. Oh, old school. Oh, okay, sorry, I got you. I was gonna say, I thought you meant like it's a cover of the song. I was like, bro, that is his tune. I don't think there's any dark. I feel like the only dark horses will be Scotland or Ireland, to be honest. They're the only people that got so much heart in football that would actually possibly have a chance. So I'd say Scotland. Scotland are better than Ireland at football.
And I ain't tryna know your name, I ain't tryna
I
kiss
don't
you.
know if that's a hot take. I mean, surely that's not a hot take, bro.
Yeah, she get lit, and she gon'
Rhythm
let
of
me
the night,
hit
yeah, that's it.
Detect her in your pocket, tryna make you spend a brick. You ever seen a dance? She do better on a dick.
Alright, you. There we go, son.
I know they only want me cause they heard I'm getting rich. She love to send me pictures of her ass and tits. My cousin say he clips, say he met her on the strip. So I know she be hoeing, I know she gon' do the clip. So fuck it, I ain't loving, I'ma sit and take a sip. I'm piling up these hundreds, I ain't worried about a bitch. Look, fuck it, I ain't loving, I'ma sit and take a sip. I'm piling up these hundreds, I ain't worried about a bitch. Look, she said she don't want no scrub nigga.
Incredible price action here. Incredible price action.
She stuck up on the game like a sticker. She wants some Mr. Fame, we just tryna get richer. She said like, what's up, let me kick it with you. I'm with the game, who you bringing with you? And I ain't tryna know your name, I ain't tryna kiss you.
Is raw spreads or no commissions better on alpha? It's a good question. I've always gone with no spreads, but the difference is, so there's two ways brokers can charge you for placing trades. One is through spreads, and the other way is through commissions. So if you're on spread accounts, you don't get commission. They don't add commission on your lot size. So let's just say the commission is like $5 a lot. So if you put on 20 lots, then it's going to cost you $40 to place the trade with commission. Now let's say you've got a I just realised 5 times 20 is not 40. Bro, am I an idiot? Bro, did I really just say that, bro? Wait, hold on. 5 times 20 is $40. It's $120. No. Bro, it's $100. Fuck! Holy shit. $100 you'll get charged if you place 20 lot size on a $5 a lot account. So you either get charged with that, or you get charged spreads. So what they do is they will add spreads to your trade. So I mean, it's as simple as they say. Let's just say you was looking to enter price. A buy at 1738, which is here. They'll probably enter you like a few pips up. So that pips is the money they take from your trade. Do you know what I mean? Or spread, I should say. So it's just two different ways that a broker will charge you. Either way, you're getting charged. So, really, doesn't matter. It kind of matters. If you're someone that sees that you don't get entered all the time, spreads, goes with more spreads. If you get entered all the time, but you just want lower commissions, I'd say go no commissions. It sort of depends, right? It massively depends. I just realised I'm restricted. What the fuck am I restricted, man? Mate, this app hates me, bro. What am I restricted for? Man, I've been playing Alvin and Chipmunk shit. I should be getting out rewarded. Come on, you. Come up first, man. But it's just a different way a broker will charge you, essentially, bro. It looks like he might have just continued down, man. I wish he'd just do it way sooner. We've literally moved really awkwardly for the whole of the session. We've had dreadful price action this morning, man. Dukes hasn't come to that Friday 50, so it definitely still could come there. EU longs. I was thinking that, but again, EU's not had the reaction we've wanted. Because it looks like we could just continue price down. Bro, what is this photo? Bro. What? 7:45. Yo, what is this photo, bro? That is insanity, bro. This guy's hard, bro. Love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? There you go, GU. Are you be pushing? Like, why are we not pushing? Pounds, yeah. I don't think the yen's just the yen is just not becoming weak today at all. At all. One of my friends. Bro, this guy is so hard. This is literally a white version of this dude. It's literally like, bro, this is literally like a Bruno Mars version. Bruno Mars ain't even white. Bro, he seems white as fuck the way he sings and shit. It's literally, bro, that's literally exactly what it is, man. You hear it, motherfuckers. But yeah, yen just continuing up here, boys. I'll be so honest. Yen continuing down. It's not even the fact that dollar's so bullish. It's just the fact that yen's just not putting through. Kick myself when I close the G. Did you get the GJ yesterday? If you got the GJ yesterday, I wouldn't even worry, Dan, bro. I'll be so honest. I wouldn't even worry, buddy. Come on, EU, man. We need this movement. GU. Bro, it's for me, GU. I just don't want a long GU. It's just pounds weak. Bro, these AI tunes are hard. Like, what's another AI thing? That was AI. This is AI as well.
I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be.
100%. I don't actually look at CRT, 1 hour CRT, I'll be so honest.
I put a hole in a nickel.
Fuck you with me. Yo, that went hard, bro. Yo, that actually went hard.
For fucking my life away.
That went hard, bro.
Come on. I put a hole in a nickel. For fucking with me.
Are you coming down? Thank God, at least you're doing fucking something. We need to come down to that Friday 50.
Now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk.
Come on.
When you talk about me. 'Cause
Alright, no way. Why? That's a banger. I'll put it on next. Bro, what is this?
the top feels so much better than the bottom.
Man, this shit's sick.
So much better. They use a window shopper. Mad at me, I think I know why you use a window shopper.
Oh, bro, this is actually so hard. Yeah, they're better, bro. They're better, man. Them little jazz things are, they're hard. They're actually hard. How come GJ's rising is the yen weak? It's not, yeah, the yen's very weak. But it's mainly because we've not seen that weak dollar. So that's why the yen hasn't been able to become bullish. I feel like it might, I mean, it might do, but I don't know if the EU needs to come lower. It feels like it has to come lower, really. Yeah, so you know, Windows shopper, that's how he starts it, isn't it?
Try and stick me, I'ma let off a fool, yeah. It ain't my fault you don't live it up your re-up. At the dice game, who told you put a G up? Everybody mad when they paper. This is a man's world. This is a man's world.
Nah, not even. Paris. I heard a country girl do that songs.
Nothing without a woman or a girl. You
Come on, EU, move down or move up, either one. Just do it. 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 Just do it, man. But this next 15-minute open just now as well, which is nice. But we need this fucking. We need EU to do its thing. Are you in? Soma, are you in? Bro, whose cousin keeps inviting me to go live, bro? Yeah, I can't. Wait, Soma, are you in on it, you? Made a kidding in gold. That's what I like to hear, bro. Are you in a ball run in a moment? Little ball run. I think this is definitely a sign that these markets are very are drying up a lot more. That's sort of what I'm getting here right now. That's it, calm down then, you fucker. Yeah, what a banger. I said Elton J, bro, on the fucking beat. EU at the moment is in a really sticky situation, so bias for EU is bullish. We want to still long off. We still got that weaker dollar in mind, so we do want to see the buy off, but it would be optimal to see price come down to the Friday 50 before long in. The reason why I say that is because we've not actually moved. So I don't know if we want to continue. It makes me feel like we don't have that reaction up yet, which makes me feel like price could come lower before continuing up. So an EU would look something like this. Guess what? I've been messaging a fake Lou. You fucking donut, Jess. How have you even managed that, bro? You've been in the Discord for, mate, probably about over a year, over 2 years. Bro, how long have you been in Discord? No way. Such a dead time needed for me to pick up trading. I'll be so honest, bro. If you're new to trading, bro, it's not a bad time. It's not a bad time to jump in, to be honest, mate. I'll be so real with you. Anti-golden brown, right? Right, I just realised what tune this is. It's actually such a banger. Ask me for 2k USDT. Fucking hell. Is that when you was like, oh right, this ain't Lou. Oh right, this blatantly isn't Lou. Oh, you've been in since August, really? Fucking hell, just I feel like you've been here for way longer. How come there is no fake MMFX? I don't know, is there? I mean, I've been told it's bare fake MMFXs, bro. To be honest with you. Yeah, this is a banger, man. WUK tune, man. There's Fizzy, what you saying, broski? What's good, man? Ollie, what's good, bro? Yeah, trust. At least I've learnt some stuff that'll be more ready for the good markets. That's it, bro. I mean, that's the thing. Do you trade for the whole December? No, bro. I'm done for the year now. I'll stop trading now. My last trading day was yesterday. Mate, EU needs to fucking do something though, either move up or move down. Are you still pissing about? How's UJ and GJ doing? Still doing really fuck up. Started beginning of November. Yeah, bro, but it started in... Bro, put it this way, man. Bro, put it this way, right? It is so much hard. It is so much. It's going to be so much better for you if you actually get into markets when they're harder. It's all well and good jumping into markets when they're easy, you get good trades and all this stuff, right? It's brilliant, right? It's amazing. But bro, once you get hit with the bad markets, that's when you're going to really think, fuck, actually, bro, everything I learned might be wrong, or everything I should do might be completely wrong, or oh, maybe I should have listened to this person when he said I needed to look at fundamentals, or maybe I should listen to that person when they said I need to look into manipulation a bit more, right? So I think, bro, I think honestly the best time to start trading is in hard markets. Same with Jed. Jed started trading about 3 months ago. The markets have been dreadful for the last 3 months, but now he realises what bad markets look like. If you don't know what good markets and bad markets look like, how in the world would you identify a good trade? You can't. There is no possible way. Obviously, if you go into bad markets, you obviously need to see good markets to obviously know the difference. But at the same time, if you learn bad markets first, it's going to be way easier for you to learn easier markets. And if you started in easier markets, then to move into hard markets, right? The same way, the best people that have the most success in life is when they come from nothing. Exact same way as trading. So, bro, most people that are born into rich families, they end up. This is the cycle of life, right? It's the cycle of life. This happens in every fucking family tree. You're poor, you start getting money, you get rich, your following kids might continue getting that money, whatever it may be, but then, or maybe not. But I mean, the main concept is your family tree works like this. You make money, one generation, the next generation loses it. Why? Because they were brought up into a lot of money. So they don't know the concept of coming from fuck all and having nothing to lose. Exact same way, boys. Distill yourself with the shit stuff first, man. There's nothing better than starting trading in hard markets. Me and Lou started trading in very easy. Me and Louis started trading in very, we honestly was doing very well at the start. I didn't realise, when it comes to the hard times here, like December and stuff like this, how do we react? How do we trade? Because we're really good at these times, but dreadful at these times. Oh, EU, please, bro. There's no, come on, man. So I just rip my eyes out and fucking feed them to my puppy. Mimi! GJ's looks like it's continuing up as well. Fucking EU, man. Now we're getting no movement with the dollar, bro. I just don't understand. Massive divergence between currencies right now, and we're still not seeing much movement. I think that really does show how much volume really is in the markets. But a little to piss all, really. Definitely going to be joining the mentorship, I reckon, though, got a free call in a couple of weeks. Sam, I'm looking forward to speaking to you then, brother. But then as well, you know what I like about being in bad markets is you focus way more on your strategy, you focus way more on what you're doing wrong. When you're winning and making money, you don't focus on that. And you get far too ahead of yourself. How's GU looking, Kurt? K-Dog, how we doing, bro? Well, my son. GU's looking just as shit as EU, right? We want to see buyers. I mean, GU not as best for buyers because the pound's weaker than the euro. But we're still looking at the euro. We're still looking for the dollar to come down at some point. At some point. Oh, I'm all good, K-Dog. You know me, broski. All good. Does it cover a lot of fundamental concepts in the lessons? So I brought out 4 videos at the end of 2024, and essentially they go over all, like, pretty much most of the stuff you need to know about fundamentals. So it goes over how investors react to the markets, or to fundamentals, so we can follow suit. How to actually identify data, how to get a daily bias from it. I can't remember what the full form was called, but we had. You know what, let me just get them up now. I'll tell you the titles of the video. They're all like 20-30 minutes long as well. They're like really good extracurricular videos. Let me get up 2024 mentoring. So yeah, part 1 is called How Investors Impact the Financial Market. Number 2 is Interconnected Markets. Number 3 is Strengths and News and Data. And then number 4 is actually just fundamental bias. How to actually get a bias from those fundamentals. But then obviously every day we do the pre-London stream from 6:30 to 8:30. And essentially what we go through is all the fundamentals you need to know right now for the current market. So we go over like the current market, and obviously we also teach you how to understand how fundamentals are important, how to actually trade them. Hey you motherfucker. This is a bugger. I've heard that. Well, I heard Joe Fetty plays that a lot on these pairs. Stu was saying it quite a lot. Yeah, people in the Discord are good, man. 25. You're doing well mentally, Mason. It's a good question, bro. Man, I'm never mentally okay. Who is always mentally okay? Let's be honest though. Like, if you're actually always mentally okay, man, like you ain't doing anything. You ain't working hard enough, man. If you're ever in mental discomfort, bro, just know you're doing the right thing. Sounds weird. Sounds fucking weird. Oh, it's right. Sure, it's fact. Fact. Getting GU buyers. Why is that, Jacko? Why would I get in GU buyers? Sweet Josh, take care of yourself, my bro. Wait, what text? For real, man. For real. Calm down. Gold cells. Everyone looking at gold cells? Why is that? What do we take? Externals? Ah, boys, don't try to sell at all-time high, bro. I can't even tell you how many times I've told you, man. Never sell gold at all-time highs. If it's near all-time highs, all you want to do is buy. It's the only thing you want to do. NFA, of course, but you want to be buying. Hey, yo, did you mentor a guy called H on TikTok? Bro, I'll be so real. Me and Luke probably mentored most people on TikTok. I'll be so honest. I'm not even just saying that. We probably have, innit? Like most man you see on TikTok nowadays, we talk. Like I'm not even saying that. Like hold that to me as well. Hold that to me. But H, I remember his name. I'm gonna say maybe. I'm about 90% sure we did. Now, bro, most lives we go in, most men just pay us homage. We taught them something. Boys, any TikTok live you go in, that someone's trading London session and isn't trading some random bot or some stupid shit. Bro, ask them. I bet most of them say fucking yes. Or unless they don't want to say it. They're like, no. Ooh, music is the answer. You need a big hug. What's going on here? Want to hear songs that remember me or some things. Sometimes I got sad. Wait, what? What the fuck you on about, Julie? Hey you're really fucking playing with me now, yeah? I've actually got a monitor here I don't need, so I will put my hand through it. Oh, hey you, come on, give me power, man. Holy shit. I'm enjoying trading so far. Are you, Sam? Fuck me. Even though the markets, because I'm actually learning from mistakes. No, that's it, bro. That's it. Like I said, this is the best time to learn, man. This is the best time to learn. I ain't just saying that, it's the best time to learn. Yo, what are these moves that this guy's popping? There's no need to be dancing this hard. Like, there's no need. It's actually. Bro, I can put it there, bro. Steve dancing. Hey, shush. Yo. I reckon I could do the majority of those dances, though, okay? But yeah, I mean, it is that type, boys. This is normal, right? This isn't anything out of the ordinary, right? We know this. Having sort of this type of PA in London is normal. It's normal. There's nothing to be questioned. And boys, it's Friday. It's Friday as well, boys. Historically, Friday, right, is the lowest volume day of the week. That is a fact. This is the reason why me and Lou don't trade Friday. It's because there's a drop of volume. Wait, mates, don't you get copyright? I think you only get copyright if you monetize it, bro. We play music all the time on YouTube, but because we don't monetize our lives, you don't need to make fucking money off a live, do we? Then you don't get banned. You just get like a copyright thing. This is why you don't usually trade it. Or I never trade Fridays. I haven't traded Fridays since. Bro, honestly, the last time I traded Friday was when the war broke out of Ukraine and Russia. That's the last time I traded a Friday. I've had trades on Friday, like accounts and that, but in terms of live accounts, like my main accounts, that is the last Friday. It was that Friday back in 2022. It was when gold, we was looking to short gold. Right? And this is why I say to people, do not short gold at all-time highs. And do not short gold on a Friday. The war broke out between Ukraine and Russia. Me and Lou, yeah, no word of a lie, insane. There's not been a war, like a big world war, involving Europe, not world war, straight. There's not been a war involving a European country that's so close, ever. And as soon as I put a gold short on, they break out in a war. And of course, if you're obviously short in a massive geopolitical like fucking whirlwind, you're fucked. So I lost my account because of that. That's the last time I traded Fridays, the last time I traded gold. I mean, and look at me, boys. I mean, I've been trading FX now profitably for the last fucking 3.5, 4 years. 4 years is a stretch. 3.5 years. So yeah, when you ask me I don't trade Fridays, it's because I got bent over. And gold as well. Same thing. Oh, how exciting are you? How fucking exciting, man. How exciting. Love this PA, man. Really love this PA. Wow. And boys, this is why we're done for the month. And as we're done for the month, we're also done for the year. That kind of makes sense. Like, get that. Mate, I don't think he's gonna do fuck all, to be honest, Sam, mate. I've been on a stream since 7 o'clock this morning, so I've been on for that 3 hours and 20 minutes. Whilst I was live on, but no word of a lie, right? No word of a lie. This is a joke, right? This is actually almost laughable. This is gonna make you man laugh, right? I jumped on stream, yeah, at 7 o'clock this morning. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna show you this. This is 7 o'clock. Here. I jumped off at 8:30. Here. I jumped on New York Live. Here. Right, so let me just show you what I mean and why this is funny. I jumped on stream when we was consolidating here. And now I've also jumped on stream whilst we're fucking consolidating here. I in fact missed this candle. This one big candle I missed. What the fuck, bro? I've sat here for like 3 hours watching this and this. Mate, who do I kill? It's insanity, man. Like, bro, what is going on? Like, bro, I reckon if I walk away from the chart, I'm gonna walk away for 30 seconds. Watch it boom. Oh, never mind, we haven't moved a fucking muscle, man. We haven't moved a fucking muscle. This is painful. Yes, Domino, what's good, cuzzy? You played any winter golf, mates? I played the other, like, a few weeks ago. Fuck me, mate, was that bad? But yeah, that's mate. Fucking hell, these markets are a joke, aren't they? Boys, I don't think there's any point looking at this any longer, to be honest. How did GJ go in the end? Oh, it's just a break even, though. It's still a break even. There we go, EU. Come on, please break that low, please. Dude, we've actually broke the low now. Come to the Friday 50, my lovely thing. Mate, how has the dollar gone up and we've seen the yen come down since it's gone up? That doesn't make no sense to me. Watch it back, lol. Wait, well, watch back, lol. Wait, fuck. Watch what back? There's a should also cover all concept trading like the ones you use. So how it works, right? So we've got sort of two sides to the mentoring. So we've got the website, right, which is essentially is a breakdown of structure, a breakdown of liquidity, a breakdown of points of interest, breakdown of confluences, and breakdown of like the trading plan. So that there is going to inform you of everything you need to know regarding like your foundation of a trader. And then you move on to like the strategy and stuff like that. So yeah, you learn all the confluences, and there's confluence on there that the thing is about confluences, boys, is again, if you've just got a strategy, you can have certain confluences to put together and be profitable. So all of our confluences might be a little bit different, but we still trade ALG or DTO continuations, right? So maybe you use the Friday 50, maybe you don't, maybe you use CRT, maybe you don't, but either way, you're still going to be profitable. It's still, but that's why you grab the different confluences together and trial and error in the future, on a live account or demo. I'd always say on a live account's the best idea, really, just so you can learn the psychology side as well. But it comes with everything you need, bro. Trust me, everything you need. Oh, the cold already as well. This is hard. Right, Friday 50, please. DXY's at the Friday 50. EU should be your next bestie. Never mind. Oh, right. L-Bird's insane. Bro, check GJ. I thought his face was fitting for the top of the screen, to be honest with you. I thought he's fitting. Don't tell me you're selling again. Bro, domino. Bro, let's just have a conversation about yesterday, right? First of all, at no point, even when price was here, I didn't say to you, oh, you should have been selling. You know, it's the way that I don't give a fuck what position you're in. Like, I don't care if you're buying, I don't care if you're selling, right? And notice the way when we was up here, he was like, oh yeah, GJ's flying to the moon, he's flying to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. Like, bro, honestly, I'll be honest, this is why you're not I can tell you're not profitable just by the way you come in these lives and talk to me. Just off that basis. And yes, I'm still trying to sell GJ. The exact same way I was trying to sell it yesterday. The exact same way. But do you understand the difference, bro? Like, bro, I could have said, oh yeah, GJ's melting here, it's melting. Domino, you're wrong. You're wrong, it's melting. But I mean, I couldn't give a fuck if you're wrong or right, because I mean, your trading doesn't change mine. You buying doesn't change my... You buying doesn't change me to selling. You selling doesn't change me to buying. If I'm selling, I'm selling. My market confluences are fucking strong as shit. You know? But there's a difference between you and I, bro. I don't give a shit if you're wrong. I only give a shit if I'm wrong. Would you short at all-time high? If I ever short at all-time high, bro, get a shotgun and just put it to the back of my head and just, like, ask me what my final words are, and then after I finish my final words, just pull the trigger. Bro, I would never sell at all-time high. Never. Do you know what I mean, Domino? Or... Yeah, Vex, it always is, bro. Yeah, I know, Dan, I know. EU come to 30-minute demand zone and we spam buyers. I should be full porting accounts, bro. We come to that prior day. Is the 30 in the prior day? Okay, it is. Come to the prior day 50 for us. Come to the prior day 50. We ain't got that 15-minute close yet, so we still need to wait, really. Is you taking a Friday 50? Fucking hell, Friday 50 is that high. Fucking really comes to Friday low, bro. Holy shit. So that's low enough. This is the new indicator. I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm not gonna lie. I bare want this Friday fixed. Like, I bare want it fixed. Something that really annoys me about it, the only thing that annoys me about this indicator, I love this indicator Vicious made, but the only thing I really don't, pardon me, the only thing I really don't like, and it's a little, it's a bit anal to say, but I want the Friday high expanded from the actual Friday high level. Like, for example, this. You see how we've got it from the Friday high candle, and it's easy to dictate where the high was. But on the other indicator, it's annoying because it's like, I don't know why the fuck he does it like this, bro. He just fucking, mate, he just like does it randomly. Oh, it does. Oh no, sorry, he doesn't do it randomly. He does it at 10 over, so crossover time. But do you know what I mean? It's just kind of annoying. I know it's a pretty anal thing, but that's why I haven't dropped it yet. Because I want to try and get that figured out. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I know, Vish, I know. It's so annoying. It's just one of those things that, oh man, it's annoying because I want to drop it, but then what's the point in dropping an indicator that you've worked hard on, Vish, and like it's not, I don't want to say it's fully done. I don't want to say it's not fully done because it is done. It's just fucking, it's just, you know when it's just that little bit off, and if it literally had it, then man, I'd update it straight away, but it's just, I'd rather it be easier. It's just easier to understand for everyone, right? If we have a perfect indicator, we're never going to have to fucking make a new one, right? Well, because the last indicator wasn't perfect. Our last indicator had a problem with the DTO, which is now fixed thanks to Vish. But now we've got the problem where, I know it's like a silly problem, but I think you guys can sort of respect what I mean by, mate, if you was a new trader looking at it, you want to know, like, you want to understand where the Friday high is, you want to understand these things, do you know what I mean? Leave it, V-Got, we can draw the rest of it. What's your ethnicity? I'm Ghanaian, bro. Just a banger. Could you leave the chart again so Price moves? Good idea, actually. I'm gonna do that for you, bro.
Self-conscious, she has no idea what she's doing in college. That makes it that she majored and don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now,
No, trust. Vish is a G for that, man.
the concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore, 3 years, ain't picked a career. She like, I'll just stay down her and do it. Cause that's enough money to buy her a few years and new years. Cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious.
Wait, bro, I just realised. Wait, why are you trying to buy GJ? Oh, he's not even here anymore. Bro, why is this Domino? Why, bro? Why does no one actually have a serious conversation with me if they think I'm wrong? I actually would love for someone to like tell me I'm wrong and fucking tell me why I'm wrong. Fucking, it actually is kind of annoying, man. I ain't gonna lie. Why is he annoying?
And when it all falls down, man, I promise, I'm so self-conscious. That's why you always see me with at least one of my watches.
He's looking for Price to take that 4-hour block in EU. I'm more looking just for EU to come to that Friday 50 level just there, bro. Not necessarily looking. I mean, we're already in the 4-hour, right? We're already in the 4-hour imbalance. I don't really care about all the blocks. Alright, let me just try to push this in the way. But yeah. I just want this 4-hour fair value to get rebalanced, and then bro, I'm happy. So Friday 50 for me would be lovely. Yeah. No, GJ could fully drop from here, bro. GJ to the moon. Bro, did it, bro, it did an AOG to a point. Bro, GJ was perfect for shorts. Like, again, it was perfect for shorts. Again, if it's stop losses, it's stop losses. But like, mate, tell me why I'm wrong. Do you know what I mean? Like, why do you think GJ's going up? Like, tell me why. Like, tell me why. Like, fuck me. Like, I'm not even trying to violate anyone. I actually want a conversation with someone who thinks I'm wrong. Like, mate, I'd only benefit from it. Do you know what I mean? I'm like, I don't mind being wrong. In fact, I like being wrong. So I actually fucking understand if you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Nah, Longs, mate, Soma, you be breaking my head top, broski. Ugh, price action is dreadful, lad. I don't know what time I'm gonna jump off. This price action is dreadful. Shot-town, Side-town, Yeah, that's why you got to prioritise that Friday 50, man. Prioritise that PD 50, especially if you see this reaction here. Wait, side note, bro. Bro, this is a banger, actually, I ain't gonna lie. But, man, who remembers when Kendrick Lamar went on that, like, generational run? Like, back in the day, bro. Like songs like this, bro. Like, bro, this was a banger, man. Money Trees. But then, like Pyro, what's that song called? Pyro something. Like that, for example. Absolute banger. Better albums he's dropped. Mad City album was hard. He had another one as well. I can't remember the other album, to be so honest. But that was hard as well. Come to the Friday 50, my lovely thing. Anyone who did LG on EU would have been stopped. Just simple GJ LG, but it's not hitting it. Friday best of Bali. Yeah, 100%, bro. Friday's definitely not the best day. How many accounts do you have? Currently got, with ACG, we're 800k funded between me and Lou. And then we've got an FTMO account as well, bro. We kind of got about, I think we got about 3 200k challenges on the guy at the moment as well. Man, my silent sister strategy tells GJ long. Alright, Lord, I'm writing. I must be wrong. ALG was never playing out. ALG was never playing out. What do you mean, Jim? Community flag comment. Bro, whoever just put a dodgy comment, bro, say it again in a different way. And you're gonna get cold. You're gonna get cold there. I've seen you on so many TikTok accounts. Oh, sorry, bro, you mean fucking TikTok accounts. My bad, bro. Yeah, I just keep getting banned, man. I'll be real. I'm not an individual who can sort of stay on this app for long, man. I just keep getting banned for shit I keep saying. Friday London session goes into Thursday rain so often, yeah. It bare does. Oh, and you this morning, yeah, trust. Yeah, it was never going to play. In my opinion, it was never going to play. I always wanted to see Price continue back down to the Friday 50. We still haven't got the Friday 50 move yet, though. Like, we're still pissing around. What sort of entry model do you use when it hits the 50%? Well, the Friday 50. What I'll do off the Friday 50, bro, is I need to have a 15-minute trade through. 15-minute trade through or 5-minute, because we haven't actually taken daily liquidity, so 5-minute or 15 because we took the Friday 50. So I'm monitoring on a 5-minute to 15-minute if we have a fair value gap, and I want to trade through a fair value gap. That's called an inverse fair value gap. Once we trade through that, I need to see price come back to that fair value gap, and I'll enter on 50% of that fair value. If we get it, I'll show you what I mean. Let's just say, for an example, the Friday 50, let's just hypothetically say it. Let me move you over a bit so you can fucking see what I'm on about. Right, let's just say Friday 50 was here, yeah? So we've already took Friday 50. I'll be looking at this 5-minute fair value, or this 15-minute fair value to trade through. Once we have a candle close above, so I don't want to see a candle like this, right? I don't want to see a candle stop, wick above and drop. I don't want to see that. I want to see a closure above the candle. It doesn't matter about the wick, but I need to see the closure of the body above the fair value. If I get that, that has switched this from a fair value gap to an inverted fair value gap, where now it gives us the indication that we're going to start moving up. So I'll be looking for price to obviously trade through. Once price is traded through, I'll be entering a long of 50%. I'm pretty sure this is called BPR or some shit. Actually, no, I think that's with the fair value. But yeah, that's all my entry model. Obviously, I need to have the liquidity move happen first and manipulation before I can get in. Otherwise, I will be getting manipulated pretty much. What a tune. What a tune, man. What a tune. Yes, Will, what we saying, bro? Please don't care about that. Please don't care about that. This is such a banger, bro. What the fuck?
I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music, I will share it, but today I'm feeling. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul and you can find out it never hit shit. I can feel the changes. I can feel a new life. I always knew life can be dangerous. I can say that I like a challenge and you to me is painless. You don't know what pain is. How can I paint this picture when the colorblind is hanging with you? Fell on my face and I walk with a scar. Another mistake living in my heart. Where it don't top of my
I'm all good, boy. You know what I mean, my broski? Do you wait for reversal level on DXY as well as XY? Exactly, bro. So I'm looking for DXY to reverse at the Friday 50 as well. The thing is to note about EU and GU is that they are massively dollar driven. These currencies are massively dollar driven. These markets move off the dollar. The dollar is the real market mover. So whatever the dollar's doing, it should be the opposite for EU and GU pretty much. The dollar is very key to actually understand. He's gonna go full bullish mode again. What's that on, bro? Understand. Sometimes I need to be. Hey, yo. UJ still climbing, man. You're still gonna CRT to the upside on the XY as well. This is this 4-hour CRT. Is it? It might be fucking well lined. No, it is. Yeah, DXY isn't inverted yet, so no need to jump in anything yet, boys. I mean, bro, it's fucking quarter to 10 already, quarter to 11 already, man. It's insane. Alright, boys, make sure you man are sub to the YouTube, man. And if you're on TikTok, jump on YouTube. We always stream on YouTube. Literally just the name up there, boys. Richesse Effects. How many subs we on now? Yeah, Friday. What do you mean, bro? Friday 50? Question mark. What do you mean, sorry, bro? We're still climbing, lads. Boys, I'll be honest, man. 430 subs. I'll say this again. 430 subs, man. In like 28 days. It's insane, bro. Like, our growth's been bare good, man. I appreciate you, all you, man, for helping us out. Because me and Lou have always wanted to grow a TikTok, man. We've always wanted to be bare fun, to build a TikTok, make bare fun videos, bro. Mate, it should be sick. Just be so fun. Be so fun. So we're growing this shit for the future right now, boys. Yes, I am, bro. Still waiting for price to come to the Friday 50. We've come to it in $1, we just haven't yet come to it on the EU. Put that pussy on the face. And you scream, it's alive. Solution is to stop all the pollution. Talk too motherfucking much. I got my drink, I got my music. I say, bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 Yeah, broski. What is that outro? Hell even stop. We're slowly coming to it, lads. Fucking hurry up though, please. On the film. For real. For sure, Jess. For real. Listen, even back when we was broke, my team here. Martin Luther King would have been on Dreamville. Talk to him, nigga. One time for my LA sisters. One time for my LA hoes. Lame niggas can't tell the difference. I would look to go that short with EU. To be honest. Especially what came out yesterday for the US. I don't know, I'm not massively looking for it to go that low. That's what I would say, bro. Can we see are we gonna see EU come that far all day? I mean, that's not just a Friday low, so. But yeah, I just don't know. I mean, I wouldn't want to be in a trade that's about I mean, that's about what? I made that about 50 pips? No. You're aiming for about... What are you aiming for about? 35, 40 pips?
I want a real love, dark skin and Viv love. That Jada in that weird love. That leave a toothbrush at your crib.
Yeah,
love.
just
And
over
you gotta
30
wonder
pips.
whether that's your kid, love. Nigga, I don't want no kids from
Looking high probability, bro. Definitely not a good Friday. Just log to just look. Looking high probability, bro. Definitely not a good Friday to just log off. What, sorry, what were you on about, bro? Yeah, I like. Oh shit, I forgot about. Oh, bro, I forgot about his trade. Bro, I completely forgot about his trade. Mate, I completely forgot about Apex's shorts. On my days, I forgot. Yeah, we got a signal in right now. It's up about fucking. How much is that?
There's an old saying in Tennessee, I know it's in Texas, probably Tennessee, that says, fool me once, shame on you. If fool me, we can't get fooled again.
Fool me one time, shame on you. Fool me twice, can't put the blame on you. Fool me three times, fuck the peace sign, look, shop and let it rain on you. Fool me one time, shame on you. Fool me twice, can't put the blame on you. Fool me three times, fuck the peace sign, look, shop and let it rain on you. My only regret was too young for Lisa Bonet. My only regret was too young for me alone. Now all I'm left with is hoes from reality shows. Handle the script, the bitch probably couldn't read
Ages
alone.
high, wasn't it?
My only regret was too young for Shawty to do. My only
Was
regret
it? Oh yeah, he was aiming for 720 as well. I just think it's far too far in it. I'll be so wrong. So this is one of the signals that I sent in today. How much is it running? It's running about 1% up. She don't wanna be saved, don't save her. She don't wanna be saved, don't save her. 21. Well, it's running alright right now, to be fair. And I still want to see price come to the Friday 50, so... I completely forgot about Apex's short, man. Apex is killing it, bro. He's actually murdering this game. He's doing it. Mate, it's his early shorts he's been getting in. Been doing very well, man. Working for me. For Apex, bro, you're gonna have to ask Apex for that, bro. I'll be so honest with you. Come on, you get down there, son. We've got to come to that Friday 50, man. Well, to be fair, the thing is with Apex as well, he's very good at closing his trades. Like, I don't always close my trade. I never close my trades early, but he's done them at very good times, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Well then,
Right, now we're coming for that Friday 50, man.
drop that thing down to the flow. I'm here for one night, how far will you go? I wanna see you work out for me, high and go low. Now girl, won't you drop that thing down to the flow? I'm here for one night, how far will you go? I wanna see you work out for me, Carolina blue kicks fresh on the scene. Hottest nigga on the block, damn girl, you mean? They be starting shit, but it's your world. On my mark and shit, you go, girl. She bad and she know it, some niggas save hoes. I'm not that heroic, could you be my escort? Cause just like them two-door fours, damn, they don't make them like you no more. Cold world, real cold world. Them boys cool, me, I'm on fire.
Bro, we actually hit. Bro, today's been like probably the worst day I've seen in like a long. In a long time.
Get right, hey, we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know it's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand?
Come for that Friday 50, bro. What the fuck?
Straight up, now tell
Nah, Sam. You're gonna have to ask Apex, bro. But he's in a Discord. You can text him. Feel free to text him.
just a hit and run. Well, hey, straight up, I tell you, I just really wanna cut when we together. Come here, girl, let's get it on. Hey, straight up, now tell me, do you really wanna love me forever? Or is it just a hit and run? Well, straight up, I tell you, I just really wanna cut when we together. Come here, girl, let's get it
Oh my
on.
god. The year has been so painful. Bro.
Pull up, headshot, sit down, stand up, pass out, wake up, fade it, fade it.
I done grew around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels. Some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in a dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vow soon. That I'ma get fucked up, filling up my cup. I see the crowd move, changing by the minute, and the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip. Then somebody said to me, "Nigga, why you babysitting on
Gold is still flying. Bro, this could be all times, bro. This bear could be all times. We're about like $40 away from all times. No, a bit more than 40. Just about 50. Just over $50.
Headshot, sit down, stand up, pass out, wake up, fade it, fade it.
Okay. Now open your mind up and listen, be Kendrick. I'm in your conscience. If you do not hear me, then you will be history, Kendrick. I know that you're not right now, and I'm hoping to lead you to victory, Kendrick. If I take a nigga one down,
It's not for boys. I might jump off because EU is actually not moved, like at all. It's actually comedically like not moved. Oh my god, GJ's also not moved. Right boys, nothing's happening. I'm jumping off, man. I'm going to buy the fucking zoo, bro. Holy shit. I'm going to go run him on a Zane. I want to say I'm going to be back from New York. Yeah, I probably will, to be fair. I probably will. But, yeah, bro, this market right now is actually almost a joke. It's actually quite funny. I'll be so honest, boys. You don't really want to be in trades today, man. You boys honestly don't want to be like, man. Oh, this will be done. I'm not in anything, bro. I don't trade Fridays. This is just something we've got in the signals. This was a short sent in from the signal on EU. I sent that 6:45 this morning. That's 362. 365. Yeah, trust me, man. My Jer 30 shorts cooking, are they? Hey, let's fucking go. Yeah, they're chefing. Love to see that, Cole. Let's go, bro. I'm still booming. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna cut out. This is actually so shit. But yeah, this signal's still booming, boys. But you man need to get in the 6. I'll be so honest. You know what? We've had such a good week this week, bro. I can't even stress it. So, boys, if you man want to get into the signals, come drop me a message on the Discord. Because I'm going to say this again, because the results have been a joke. So this month, not the trade we're in so far, I'm pretty sure we're up about 12%. The results of November was 13.9 RR through Forex and Gold. October results is 10.9 RR through Forex and Gold. We've made on average over every single month for the past 4 months by the looks of it. I haven't got anything previous, still need to get those results. We have been up minimum 10% each month across Forex and Signals. So you're placing all these trades, boys, you're getting 10% a month. Minimum. November was 14R. This month so far, with this trade, without this trade currently running a profit, we're about 12R up or some shit. So boys, you want to get in? I'll tell you what, I'll drop some discounts today. Fuck it, it's Friday, plus we've just had an insane week. So boys, come drop me a message on Instagram. Come drop me a message. Well, we've got 69 posts, of course we do. But come drop me a message on Instagram, just Richesse FX, boys. And I'll drop a discount code. Fuck, we'll do 50% off, man. We'll do 50% off for this whole day, just because of how good we've had this week. This week has been insane. So, boys, drop me a follow. You ain't got to follow me. Follow me though if you're a G. Or drop me a message and I'll get you boys in there, man. Again, boys, drop me a message on Instagram if you're not in the signals yet. You want to be getting the fuck in there instantly. I'd be so honest with you, boys. TikTok, love you all, man. Hold it, have a good weekend, boys. I'll be back for New York. See you, man, then. There's about 3 guys now. I was literally speaking to 3 people, man. It's actually embarrassing. That is embarrassing. Really embarrassing, to be fair, mates. You're a grown man, you know that, mate. Grown man, you probably fuck bitches, pay tax. But yeah, boys, I'll be back for New York. If the markets are still bear shit, I probably won't, but I'll tell you, man, in the chat if I don't. But yeah, I was going to say this again as well, boys. I've just made this new TikTok. Boys, not already seen it. I've just made this TikTok, right? Richesse.fx. All I'm going to do on this account, right, is just answer any questions. So on this video here, just go on that video, drop a comment of any question you have in trading. I'm going to start answering them now. So if you've got any questions to do with trading, boys, ask me on it. You're going to be helping me out because it's going to boost the account. Plus, I'm going to help you out by answering your questions. So come drop a comment. It could be anything. It could be a silly little question. It could be big. But whatever you, man, want to know. Something that you personally DM me and ask. Or something that, if I said to you, if you've got a problem, DM me. If you have a certain problem, tell me in that comment section. So I want to make a video on it. Just so I can help more than one person. Because these questions you guys have are universal. Everyone has the same questions. So, but some people are just afraid to ask it. So send it over, man. Bro, this fucking season is about making money. 2026 is going to be different type of shit. We've already got our market confluence for the first fucking 2 months. 2026 is going to be insane, boys, right? So let's set ourselves up for success. Any questions you boys have, drop it on that TikTok. Share it if you actually enjoy our shit. Help us grow that account. Fucking appreciate you, boys. You, man. I love you all to literal death, man. You, man, are my fucking familia. Boys, I'll see you, man, in a few hours. Like I said, any comments, bro, drop that shit. Doesn't matter if it's a stupid question. Bro, even ask me how my prostate... I'll take it back. Only training related questions. You, man, I fucking love you all, man. Hold it, bruv. Hold it.